So I will be writing a balanced equation for ammonium sulfate reacting with lead nitrates. So first you need to put these names into the compound using the symbols. So ammonium, you'll look over here on the polyatomic ions, find ammonium, and write, okay, NH4. Now this has a charge of +1, just a little side note, I put it underneath. And it is combined with sulfate, so I like to put this so I don't confuse between the two polyatomic ions. So you find sulfate, which is right here, SO4, and it has a charge of -2. So with that -2, you have to put it right here behind here. So I usually put parentheses around this 2, just so you know that it's like that. And you are combining it with lead, so you want to look on your periodic table. Where's lead? Lead is Pb right here. So you put Pb, and you want to see what's the charge? +4, so it has a +4. And then it's combined with nitrate, which is a polyatomic ion, and nitrate is NO3. But it has a charge of -1, so you don't put it there, and then you put the 4 there from the Pb because you crisscross. So this is going to make NH4 NO3. Now you don't have to put any subscripts because they're +1 and -1. Now you're adding it with, I'm just going to put it down here. You're adding it with PbSO4. Now Pb is +4, so you put a 4 here. And SO4 is -2, so you put a 4 here. But you can reduce it, so making it PbSO4(2). So I rewrote it down here. So now we have to balance it. So you have to make everything equal on both sides. So first I'm going to look at ammonium. And ammonium has 2 here, but doesn't have a 2 here. So I'm going to try a coefficient of 2 here. But that makes a 2 on the NO3. But that's not going to work because there's a 4 for the NO3 on the other side. So you're going to erase it 2, forgot. It's even there. So you have to put a 4 here because there is a 4 here, making that 4, but this also making it 4. But this has 2, so you could put 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. But now now it should be equal because if you put a 2 here, it also gives the SO4 a 2, but it also has a 2 over here. So let's go through everything and make sure that everything is balanced. So there is 4 ammonium and there is 4 ammonium. So here we have 2 sulfate and here we have 2 sulfate. Here we have 1 lead and we have 1 lead. And then we have 4 nitrates. And here we have 4 nitrates. So this is balanced. But now you have to determine the reaction. So this reaction is just double displacement. And so what double displacement is AB plus CD, which is AB plus CD, and it goes to AD plus CB. So then you have AB plus CD, which goes to A, D, D, to CB, so C, C, B, B. All right. So this is called double displacement, and it's when two compounds, compound, react and form two new compounds.